Hello, Khatam for objection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we're gonna show you something, guys, so important about the dongle. Here we have the iPhone X, and it came with the dongle, right? And we have the iPhone Max here, and it came without dongle. Do you know what's the secret for iPhone company that they cancel dongle? Why an iPhone X they will have dongle, an iPhone Max that is triple price of the iPhone X doesn't have dongle? And what is this silly name even, dongle? And why they do this cheapness at all? Why do they not make it socket normal, like normal human being and like normal phones? Why do you make this silly acting? Anyway, it's all business. Guys, do you know that, as I said before about how to save money, do you move dongle because do you know people one way or another they're gonna buy iPhone Max? Do you know people one way or another they're gonna purchase this device? That's why they move dongle, because do you know that a lot of people buy dogs for iPhone? Let me tell you something. This will save for them $1 million. You understand this? And this is, I'm not telling this from my mind or I'm creating this shit. No. Do you know this one is cost $5? Okay. Do you know if they will move it from 1 million device, which is mean they save $50 million? Do you know so how much money they save for this? And in the end you're gonna buy it. So they save it from them and they push it to you with price. So they earn $100 million. This is so fucking shame from iPhone to do something like this, that they move dongle. You know, I'm gonna tell you, it's not important. And for me, I don't give a fuck about iPhone at all, because I will never battery my S9 Plus on my Samsung, okay? I have my Samsung, I'm never gonna battery it. But anyway, let's talk about the Morton. Guys, you know, now this is cheap companies do this. Let me tell you something. In one time, Lufthansa, you know the meal that came to airplane? This meal have olive, the meal, chicken and like this. Lufthansa did experience and they moved one olive from the meal. Do you know this one olive from every meal save for them in 1 year $10 million? Can you fucking imagine this? This one piece of olive that you move it from the meal is save for them $1 million. Imagine one dongle from 50 million devices sold out all over the world. How much is gonna save for them? That's why they forbidden you from this dongle, and this is shame. Device cost $1,500, and you feel pity and you move dongle from me. I don't know what to tell you about this. Anyway, this is the reason why they move dongle, because this is back for them with triple money back. I told you, minimum they will earn behind this project, minimum $200 million. This is minimum, except the people who will buy it from sites, and they save it from their account. Anyway, guys, this was my opinion, and this was not my thoughts. This is what originally happened about this, about dongle. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again with so important video. I'm gonna do it tonight. Peace and love for everyone, and think well about this. And trust me, I'm gonna tell you something. It's the most important now. Try Samsung S9 Plus or try Note 9. If you will back to this device, come fuck me in my ass, okay? If you're gonna back to iPhone after you will buy Note 9, if you will back to iPhone again, my ass here for you all night. Peace and love for everyone.